Where are those kids? Ah, there they are. Hey guys, do you want a burger today?
Yes.
Do you want a burger today?
Yes. Yes, okay.
How about camel burger?
I don't know. Yeah.
Burger made of camel meat?
Can you try it?
You good?
Yeah.
You want to try it? You want to try it too?
Yes.
All right, I'll make it happen. All right, see you later. Right, that is good. Karina, do you want a burger today?
A burger? Oh yes, sounds good. Yeah.
How about a camel burger?
Camel?
A burger made of camel meat, you know,
wow.
with the 2 humps on the back. No? Yeah?
It
Want
sounds
to try?
interesting.
All right, let's try it. So I'm going off in my hunt for camel meat. So we are in Agadir, and whereas in the north, on the center of the country, you could not find camel meat, anything from Marrakesh southwards, there'll be lots of camel meat. So I should be able to find camel meat here in Agadir, which is pretty south. I remember a long time ago, we went all the way to the very south, into Mauritania and all, and there was lots of camel meat. But so far I haven't seen it. I asked my host from our Airbnb where I could find some camel meat, and she gave me a few options. So let's go and check it out. I've never eaten camel meat so far. I've drank camel milk before, but not meat. But it's time to try, right? You gotta have eaten camel meat once in your life at least. Yeah, and while you enjoy this camel meat hunt, I have to say something to you. If you want to subscribe, we'll do that. I'm happy about it. But do turn the bell icon on as well, because otherwise you will not get any notification, and the subscription will pretty much mean little, right? So because lots of people do that. My subscribers do not get notifications. I mean, lots of them. I'm just saying. Anyway, let's go and find that camel meat. Juicy, delicious camel meat. Well, if it's delicious, I suppose it's delicious. Apparently it's very healthy, very good for you. But let's see. Mr. Google tells me that way. I'm not seeing it, but maybe I will find it. Well, it should be coming up as Google Maps, you know. On my phone, not so good. There's excellent viande, excellent meat. And there is a picture of camels. Oh, what's the entry? Is it here? Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. Guys, that guy didn't want to be filmed or photographed or anything at all. I actually only wanted to film the meat, but I don't know. It's very strange. It's difficult to be a vlogger here, I can tell you that. But, there's a bunch of camel butchery shops around here. I took the next one. I mean, it's very unfriendly, so I wouldn't give him business. I mean, I respect him, his wish to not be filmed. This is a problem, you know. You want to make travel vlogs and all, and then, you know, you cannot, you know, ask the whole world if it's okay to film them. And but you know, it's not. Don't get me wrong, please. It's I mean well. Anyway, so there's lots of butchers anyway, and so I got a kilo of camel meat. This is actually the most expensive meat that you'll find in Morocco, and I assume everywhere in the camel world, whatever, where they have camels or they eat camels. Yes, 150 dirham for a kilo, and it's all indicated there. It's not, they're not ripping me off. And so that's quite expensive if you consider, let's say, chicken and turkey being 50 or 60 dirham, 150, and like beef is 110, mutton is 110, I think. Anyway, let's go and fry up some burgers and try that camel meat. I did not film that second guy, although he was very funny and asked me to come back if I like it. I said, yeah, sure. Anyway, let's try this. Interesting enough, I need to mention the camel butchers, they only sell camel meat. So it's not that you think that guy sold you beef or that guy sold you lamb, not mutton, or lamb, or chicken. No, that's camel. It has all the nice camel pictures on it too. And do I find it strange to be eating camel? It's a novelty for me. So I don't find it strange. I mean, if you eat animals, might as well, eat any animal. Although I hope I'm not getting any beef. Funny enough, that word. With animal protectionists, right? Anyway, wanted to mention that. So I got a kilo of camel meat for the first time ever. Tastes like nothing. Is it? Does it? Yeah, no taste, but I'm sure that will change by preparing it. Moroccan buns, but fresh buns, not like the disgusting burger buns, but these are like burger buns, right? They're not called burger buns, but they look like burger buns. Let's try them. All right, let's make a few patties. So that's gonna be a problem because I'm just taking the pure meat, right? So just try to make it as good as you can, right? Like this. Yeah. So let's take a pan. We don't have a non-stick pan, which is good because non-stick pans are bad for you. Oops. So take butter because seed oils are bad for you. So butter is like the best fat you can find, right? So let's have it. Let's make it hot and then fry the burger, and then try the burger. Put enough butter in there because the meat was expensive enough, right? So just trying to put a couple of patties in there. Oh. Alrighty. Well, only two will fit. Now a little salt and pepper. Pepper. Well, doesn't matter. To details, right? So I'm actually quite excited about these camel burgers. While they're frying, cut open the buns. The moustache. Mustard, not a moustache. A bit of the frying. It's good. Reminds me of beef, but this might be very good. Alright, first two burgers are done. Not too well done, right? Badge. Let's cut up some onions and some tomatoes. I'll take the red onions. They're like the best for burgers, I would say. Well, maybe they're best for everything, right? Tomato. Add some onions. Tomatoes. A little bit of ketchup, not too much, because we want the camel taste, right? Some cheese, but we want the taste of the camel meat. We got the first batch. We all did, and well, we'll come like for two burgers each, but anyway, so the camel burger, guys. Hey, are you eating before me? That's good. Is it good? So my little son has a camel burger before me. I think you haven't gotten the meat yet. Anyway, yeah, let's try this, okay? I did sneak in a little bit before. It was pretty awesome. But yeah, it's that first bite, right? It's all in that first bite, you know. That's like I'm a virgin, like a camel virgin now, and once I take that first bite, I'm no longer a camel virgin, right? A camel meat virgin. Wait. Again, back to the virgin thing. Anyway, let's try it. Oh, I'm anxious a bit. Life will not be the same as before. Anyway, maybe you will. I'm kind of like afraid. Anyway, now, so they're not well done. They're like, you know, no, somewhere in between rare and well done. Anyhow, I'll try. Bloody. This is good, dude. Oh yeah, I'm liking it. This is the camel. As you can see the humps. How's the burger? Is it good? The boy, are you eating the camel meat? You're 3 years old, you have a camel meat burger. Anyway, no good. This is a good burger. Wow. It's very good. Are you trying yours? How is it?
Good, very good.
It is good. It's also good bun. Is it good?
Awesome.
It's awesome. So Karina, it's you. It's all on you. Your first camel burger. Your parents will be disappointed in you. That you're eating these cute little camels. They didn't do anything to you. So now it's not going to be the same anymore. I mean, it doesn't have a particular taste, really, right? It's good.
I'm waiting for it.
Yeah, the same here, but
It's good.
it's good, right? But it's a good burger. It's a good bun. It's got ketchup in it and mustard and all the good things.
You can't do anything wrong with that.
No, but yeah, this is the most expensive meat Morocco has. 150 dirham per
Are
kilo.
there such thing as camel burgers somewhere?
I haven't seen any here, but I think I read about this restaurant in Fez that does them, but I'm not. But it's good. I mean, it does not. I figured camel would have a more noticeable taste. I mean, it's good meat, right? You like it? The meat is good, but it's not like, it doesn't taste like camel, you know. Maybe you should just eat it like. But I ate a piece before, and it was just good meat. It was just, well, actually, I'm going to say that it tastes like beef, a lot like beef. Wouldn't you agree?
It's a bit sweet, but I'm
It's
not
a bit
sure
sweet,
if
but
it's
maybe
the
that's the
bread.
ketchup, you know. And the bread is a bit sweet.
It's a bit sweet. It would be not so nice when it's so dry.
So dry,
It would
yeah.
be not nice if it's so dry.
If it was dry, yeah.
It is a little bit dry, but the ketchup
Yeah.
makes it not dry.
Yeah, no, you do, for a burger, you need ketchup. I mean, some people will disagree with that, but I see it's still a little bit rare, a little bit bloody. But it's a good burger. And now I'm no longer a camel version with all of us. So boy, how's the burger? Is it good? You like it? Yes? I'm glad. Yeah, it is a good burger. Yeah. Yeah, nothing else I can add. An awesome burger. I like it.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you agree?
Very good.
A good, juicy burger. Yeah. Maybe it was the best burger I've had. That's good. Second batch, it's keep getting better and better. We should have bought 10 kilos, but it would have been expensive. But anyway,
Yes, we should have bought 20 kilos.
yeah. Well, we don't have the money for that, right? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, yeah? And see you in my next video, or our next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dylan. Olive?
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye. All right, Karina, you say bye-bye?
Cheers.
Bye-bye.